Go ne go sa letlelelwa gore go sewe ditshwantsho ka ntlha ya fa go santse go letile gore balatofatswa ba supiwe. Bao ba neng ba le teng mo gare ga kgotlatshekelo le bona ba ne ba sa letlelelwa go tsaya ditshwantsho.
The accusers linked via eyewitnesses as well as video footage, Your Worship. At this stage, as indicated, Ms. Mkabe will be coming on record for the accused, Your Worship. At this stage, the state will request a postponement in terms of Section 50, subsection 6, for a 7-day postponement, Your Worship, to obtain the accuser's bail information as well as to verify his address, Your Worship. During that 7-day period, the investigating officers are before court, Your Worship. The identity parade will also be held during the 7-day postponement, Your Worship.
Puso ya re polao e ka tswa e rulagantswe. Setopo se sengwe se fitlhetswe mo moraga kgoro e. Ditsala le ba lelapa ba mo letshogong le le boitshegang.
Le time ba tsotlhe ba bonala. Yes, ne re le worried ka bona. Yeah. So this thing e motho a identse le gona like re fitse like down because no a re sa gona like re sebetse because like re dula re tshwile because like are o tla re bitsetsang batho ba bangwe.
Mokgatlo wa bagwebi ka mmele wa sonke wa re polao e ke ditlamorago tsa Aforika Borwa tsa go gana go emisa tiro ya bagwebi ba mmele jaaka e se mo molaong.
After the identification of bodies yesterday, then we went with some of the sex workers to the police so that they can also go to the crime scene, because there are also those who survived, like they've got scars to say this particular man did this, you see this scar, this particular man. So we will also say we are encouraging them to say, come forth, bring your stories, we believe in you.
NP totobaditse fa molatofatso a na le kgetsi e nngwe ya petelelo.
Yes, we received information that he was charged in 2021 with a rape of a female person, and further information received was that that case has since been withdrawn. But as the National Prosecuting Authority, we then instructed the investigating officer to follow up that information so that we then have confirmation of the status of the case.
Kgetsi e tla tswelela gape go kgotlatshekelo fa kgwedi eno e le 18.